Today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your premise app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it. When you just click here on settings, so then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here, click on apps. So then you come to apps list here until you're looking for premise app, or just click on search. Then here add premise app, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here, just click on first stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store here, click on Play Store. Then you search for premise app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.